Welcome to our channel Travel World, where we provide valuable information and insights on various topics. Today, we're going to discuss a highly requested topic: how to apply for farm worker jobs in New Zealand. If you're looking to explore opportunities in the agriculture sector or experience farm life in the stunning landscapes of New Zealand, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of applying for farm worker jobs step by step. Let's get started. Before we dive into the application process, let's briefly discuss why New Zealand is an attractive destination for farm workers. With its thriving agriculture industry and vast landscapes, New Zealand offers a unique experience for individuals seeking employment in farming. Whether you have prior experience or are looking to start a new career, New Zealand's farms provide a variety of opportunities. The first step in applying for farm worker jobs in New Zealand is conducting thorough research. Start by exploring the different types of farms, such as dairy farms, sheep farms, or fruit orchards, to find the one that aligns with your interests and skills. Online platforms like the official New Zealand government website, trade publications, and agricultural job boards can be excellent resources for finding available positions. Additionally, you can connect with local employment agencies or farm worker organizations that can provide guidance and assistance throughout the application process. Preparing your application. Once you've identified suitable farm worker job opportunities, it's time to prepare your application. The key components typically include a well-crafted resume and a cover letter tailored to the specific role you're applying for. Your resume should highlight your relevant work experience, any certifications or training you've completed, and your educational background. Emphasize skills such as livestock handling, crop management, machinery operation, or any other relevant expertise you possess. When writing your cover letter, demonstrate your passion for agriculture and the reasons why you're interested in working on a farm in New Zealand. Showcase your adaptability, teamwork skills, and willingness to learn and contribute to the farming community. Meeting visa requirements. Before submitting your application, it's crucial to ensure you meet New Zealand's visa requirements. The type of visa you'll need depends on your nationality and the duration of your intended stay. The most common visa categories for farm workers are the Working Holiday Visa and the Essential Skills Work Visa. Host. To apply for a visa, visit the official New Zealand immigration website and carefully follow the instructions. Provide all the necessary documents, including your passport, health certificates, and evidence of financial support. It's essential to apply for the appropriate visa well in advance to allow for processing time. Submitting your application. Once your application is complete and you've obtained the necessary visa, it's time to submit your application to the farm or employment agency. Follow the specific instructions provided by each employer or job posting platform. It's important to include all the required documents, such as your resume, cover letter, and any additional forms or certifications requested. Remember to present yourself professionally throughout the application process. Double-check your application for any errors or typos, as attention to detail is highly valued. Submitting a well-prepared application will greatly increase your chances of securing a farm worker job in New Zealand. Follow-up and interview process. After submitting your application, the farm or employment agency may reach out to you for further assessment. This could involve a phone or video interview to evaluate your skills, experience. Now today's video going to end. Feel free to ask any question and please subscribe our YouTube channel Travel World for further information.